All right, next ball up to roll tonight is the Primal Shock. And the layout, actually I got the layout written on here, 45 by 3.5 by 20. It's a pin-up layout. I got my Jopo in there. And I haven't rolled this in a while, and the reason I got it, it was on sale online. I forgot how much, I forgot where I got it, but I got it for about $160. And I told my PSO, and he said, that's a damn good deal. That's what I get it for cost. Go get that sucker. So I ended up getting it. We'll see what we can do with it right now. So my first Motiv ball was the Venom Shock, and everybody said that's the GOAT. They've been making it for about, I think, what, 10 years or so? And then I ended up getting this one next. I haven't had too much luck with the Venom Shock. We'll see what we can do with it tonight as well. Looking pretty good, shaping pretty well. I can't remember the last time I put a surface on that. Might have been 5 games ago or something. And it's probably been about a month or so since I bowled with this. The last time I bowled it was on league night, and I can't even remember my score off the top of my head. So I went a little bit in the middle on that one, and luckily I got it, gave it to me. Huh? Primal Shock's working pretty good right now. Got real good shape to it. I guess it's really good for these type of lane conditions. So one thing about the Venom Shock is when you look at the RG and the differential, it doesn't look like a very strong ball, but when you roll it down the lane, it's pretty strong. And I think the Primal Shock is actually a .50 diff. I think so. Try to put a little bit too much spin on that one. And yes, folks, those are string pins. Okay. Did not want to come back. A little too far out right. Did not want to come back on me. That was 15 miles an hour. There we go. So let me know if you have the Primal Shock, if you like it, you get a good score with it. If you're looking to add it to your arsenal, let me know. Post it in the comments. working for me now. There's a lot of people in our league that bowl with Motiv. They got there's a lot of Venom shocks. There's the black Venom, and that's one ball that I was thinking about getting was the black Venom. Let me know if you guys have the black Venom too. How do you like it? How it compares to the Venom shock and the Primal Shock. Couldn't get lucky on that one. Just over 16 mile an hour on that one. Let's see if I can't get this pesky 10 pin. Focus on going straight. All right, 10th frame. See if we can finish strong here. Wrap 10. $17 miles an hour. All right, so 212 with the Venom Primal Shock. All right. All right, like, subscribe, comment if you like the ball. If you have the ball, let me know. And let me know what your top scores are with the Venom Primal Shock. Until next time, see you guys on the lanes.